My name is Armstrong Wiggins. I am a Mosquito Indian from Nicaragua, the director of Indian Law Research Center, Washington, D.C. office. And as you know, the UN Declaration started the process in '77, which I came as Indian leader. That's where I met Tim Coulter, our executive director. And we worked together on this work. It's very important to indigenous people of the world, because not just within the United States, but all over the world, because I think we don't have justice in our countries. Our laws never did protected us, and that's why we went to the UN in 1977. Unfortunately, this process took us about 25 years for nations to support the declaration. The declaration was approved in September of 2007. In that regard, 4 countries did not support the declaration: Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and United States. And of course, that was during the Bush administration. And now the Obama administration is looking at the declaration, and they want to go through a consultation process. And so this is where I think it's very important for all of us to understand and to try to participate and support the UN declaration, not just for Native people in North America, but as I said, all over the world. Indian Law Research Center, of course, work only in the Americas, but it's a very important place because we have a lot of indigenous nations from Alaska, Canada, United States, Mexico, Central and South America. Some of us are still struggling to get our rights recognized. And I think the UN Declaration is a very good step for us to have our own autonomous government, our own self-determination rights, our own rights to land and our natural resources. And I think the United States, President Obama's support for this declaration will not only benefit indigenous people in North America, but will benefit indigenous people in Mexico, Central and South America in a great way, because U.S. support the World Bank. The World Bank is the agency of the United Nations. U.S. support the Inter-American Development Bank. Inter-American Development Bank is the agency of the Organization of American States. And with the U.S. support of the declaration, I think will also strengthen the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights and Inter-American Court of Human Rights. So that's one of the reasons I think, from indigenous point of view, this declaration is so important to be supported by the United States government.